Your dictation will start in 5 seconds at the speed of 90 words per minute. Start. Let us be frank enough to recognize that this increase in the intensity and duration of stoppages of work has prevented our economy from realizing its full potential. Stop. Whichever party to the dispute may have emerged victorious from these confrontations so far as the nation is concerned, the strikes have inflicted unmitigated loss. Stop. We need industrial harmony not for the benefit of the classes who control the means of production, not for the further advancement of the full affluent section of the society, but for the sake of the poorer masses who suffer an erosion of their low standards of living as a result of these interruption in production. Stop. The unemployed whose only hope lies in a higher rate of capital formation and investment, whether in the public or in the private sector, suffer most in the process. Stop. We are all here today to find a solution to this grave industrial problem and to consider how to mitigate, if not to end, the present stage of disorder in labor management relations. Stop. Era. The Ministry of Labor has made several suggestions to promote industrial harmony, such as ending the multiplicity of trade unions, the recognition of a single bargaining agent, and so on. Stop. These lead to other related issues, such as how to promote internal leadership within the trade union movement and what agencies should be set up to consider and resolve disputes as they arise. Stop. My friend tells me that these points were set out more as a basis for discussion and to help in your deliberations. Stop. I do not wish to go into these issues in detail nor to prejudice the discussions. Stop. But may I suggest that you evaluate these points and any others with one criterion, whether they will increase or reduce industrial disputes. Stop. Para. Trade union leaders have always been in the vanguard of progressive forces in our public life. Stop. Whatever their other differences, they have stood for the uplift of the poorer sections of the society and for the subordination of personal interests to larger ones. Stop. They would be untrue to this tradition if they do not focus their attention on the problem of augmenting production at this critical juncture when, apart from our other problems, 3 million victims of the reign of terror unleashed across our borders have sought refuge in our land. Stop. The shortfalls in production have also affected government revenues and reduced potential levels of investment. Stop.